So here is the main interface, and the middle one we are going to select the treatment areas, front, back, or face. So this is the treatment size, small, medium, large, extra large. And this is the skin color from 1 to 5. So we select the right treatment areas. Now we are going to enter the main interface of this whole operation. So there are whole 3 different patterns. So SHR's super hair removal is motional pattern, so it's gonna be fast, also the frequency. So this is gonna SHR pattern. We should use it for larger treatment areas like our breast, back, leg, or arm. So SHR stack, we are going to use it for smaller treatment areas like our armpit, bikini areas, and the upper lip areas. We are going to use this one. And you can see this little picture is changing. That means, for example, so this means one shot it will flash 3 times. So we pause, we shot one shot of our handpiece, the light, it will come out 3 times. So click it, now it's 4 times. Now it's 5 times, so that's what it means. And stand by, ready. So during the treatment, we cannot change the parameters or the operation settings. During treatment, we cannot change that. So if we are going to change the operation settings, we need to make sure the machine is not working. Okay, so here let us know there are 5 total of it. That means the intensity of cooling. So our machine is equipped with advanced cooling system and also our handpiece. So when we turn on the cooling system, and we can adjust the intensity. So you will feel the clients will feel like a little ice sliding over the skin. We need to find the right condition for clients by adjusting this. So the last pattern, HR, is a regular pattern. We can use it to do any treatment part, any body part. And okay, cut. So we are going to show how the stack means. So that here it stack 2. It means one shot it will flash 2 times. Now ready, and we will show 1, 2. Okay, so now we switch it to stack 3. So now it's 4, and it will flash 4 times, one shot. Okay, one more time. So first part, we are going to operation on the armpit to show how we should adjust the parameters of the SHR stack pattern. So here is the main interface of the stack after we select the skin colors and the treatment areas. So now, like I said, in this interface, the energy is not adjustable. So all we need to do is adjust the fluence and this one, the stack. So like I mentioned before, we click here, that means we press the button, the handpiece button, and how many times it will flash. So now it's 3. You can say it's 3. So we press one shot and it will flash 3 times during one shot. Now 4 times, now 5 times. And this is the fluence. So if customers feeling a little the energy is too higher, we should adjust this one, lower it. So here is the parameter setting chart. Our seller will send it to you. So here you can see the operation chart. So this one is fluence. So now we suggest you to do from 25 to 35. So we can adjust here. And it's for, so this tool is for seeing here, and if they have like the dance here, we can look it up here. So this DAX, that means that is what I just said right now. 3, 4, 5, 2, and this means stack 3, stack 4, and stack 5. So all we need to do is look it up the data and change it these two operation parameters, these two fluence and stack 1 to 5. 1 to 5, 3 to 5 we recommend you, and this fluence 25 to 40 to 35. Okay. So now we are gonna show how to do the pre-treatment works. So now we are gonna use the SHR stack pattern to do the armpit treatment. So first thing, clients must to shave before any super hair removal treatment. And next we need to prepare the cooling gel, or you can use ultrasound gel to do the treatment. And put goggles, put a cooling gel on the treatment areas. So before a facial treatment, we can do it a test on the customer's skin and ask how they feel about the present parameters, ask their feelings, and then decide we should lower or up the parameters, the energy. So in one single treatment areas, we need to do it 20 passes. So back and forth, 10 times of back and forth. So in total, 20 passes in one treatment, in single treatment area. So if you purchase the version of with changeable spot size, then we can change the working probe according to the treatment areas. So we are going to do the arm. So we are going to need a larger spotlight working probe. So here is how to change that. It's pretty simple. So smaller one pass, we are going to need a larger one. Okay, so that is done. We are going to start the treatment. So now we are going to do the treatment on the hair removal on our arm. And the arm, we should choose the SHR. So that is for larger treatment areas, the motional laser hair removal pattern. So now is the interface of SHR pattern, and all we need to do is looking at this chart and suggest two parameters, that is the grid size and the fluence. So once we set up the grid size, the energy is settled. It cannot be changed. So all we need to do is adjust this one and the grid side. So here is the parameters chart our seller sent to you. So see here, that's here. And this is the grid size 100. So we suggest if we do the grid size at 100, and for see here, it need to, according to different skin colors, and change the fluence. Like it's one, the lighter here, and it should from 10 to 20, 10 to 20, and 100 grade. So if we change it to the 150, and we also need to change from different hair thickness and skin colors. And we change this one, grid side settled, and change the energy. So if clients, after we set these two parameters, the time is settled. It's like a counting down. It's a counting down time and second. So now it shows 100 seconds. So after the time counting down is over, and the machine is going to be stop work. That means these treatment areas, the work is done. Okay. So now we are gonna do the treatment for the arm, and because our demo machine equipped with 2 different handles, we are gonna show how to use the other larger handle piece to do the treatment. So first thing, select the treatment size, skin colors, and treatment area. And now it's SHR pattern and the fluence and the grade side. So the grade side, it will directly influence the treatment time. So this is a counting down time like I said before. So if we are doing a larger treatment areas like the back or leg, so our recommendation is gonna larger the grade side. And in the meantime, the energy and the fluence, it will change when we change the grade side. So we will suggest you do the grade side from 600 to 1800. 1800 is the top. Okay, so now we are gonna do the treatment for arm. So if you purchase the machine with a handle piece with a screen, so you can also change the energy on the screen. So if clients feeling a little discomfortable or the energy is too high, we can adjust the energy here, and it can control the pause or start in the meantime. So it can control the pause or start from the little handle screen. Also the energy. So when the energy change, and the fluence will change automatically. So all we need to do is change the energy, and if we want a longer treatment times, we need to up this parameter, up it, and the treatment time is gonna be longer. And adjust the energy, the fluence will change automatically. So what I need to do is adjust the energy according to the tolerance of our customer. Okay, now so we are gonna start the treatment. So it should done over 20 passes. So if we count back and forth at one time, we should do it over 10 times. 20 passes and 10 times. Now we are gonna do the super hair removal treatment on the leg and showing how the HR pattern works. So here is the interface of this pattern. So there are only 2 parameters. This one is energy, fluence. H stands for energy, and this one is a frequency. So if you want the handle piece, it shows more faster, it flash more faster, we should have these parameters. Up it. So if we want to do it slower, so here's the energy. So if clients feel discomfortable or the energy is too high, so we can lower it. It's very simple, and we should adjust the energy by the tolerance of our clients and their feelings.
听一下，这不是应该